Characters: a shy little dragon with bright green scales and a heart full of dreams. A cheerful, adventurous bird who loves to explore and encourages. Sparky: a sage figure who offers guidance to Sparky. A magical forest filled with colorful trees and a sparkling lake leading to a majestic mountain range where the other dragons fly. Introduce Sparky, who watches the other dragons soar through the sky. Feeling left out because he's too scared to try flying. He often imagines what it would be like to join them, but believes he's not brave enough. One day, while practicing his fire breathing near the lake, Sparky meets Bella, who is intrigued by his colorful scales. Bella invites Sparky to join her on an adventure, but he hesitates, fearing he won't be able to keep up. Rising action. Bella encourages Sparky to take small steps. They explore the forest together, and Bella teaches Sparky about the beauty of the world around them. Along the way, they face challenges like crossing a rickety bridge and navigating through a maze of bushes, helping Sparky gain confidence. They reach the base of the mountain, where Bella suggests they fly to the top to see the sunset. Sparky panics at first, feeling overwhelmed. Just then, they meet the wise old owl, who shares a story about how even the mightiest birds had to overcome the fears to soar. 5 falling apples were. Sparky decides to give it a try. With Bella by his side, he takes a deep breath, spreads his wings, and takes off. At first he wobbles, but Bella encourages, reminding him that it's okay to be scared. Slowly, he finds his rhythm. Sparky successfully flies alongside Bella, reaching the top of the mountain just in time to see the beautiful sunset. He realizes that he can fly, just not in the same way as the other dragons. Sparky and Bella celebrate, and Sparky learns that embracing his uniqueness is what makes him special. Mori ends with a lesson that it's okay to be afraid, and that with courage and support from friends, we can discover our own strengths and talents.
Subscribe to my channel.